Hey, have you been wondering lately what queries are? What are they made of? What purpose do they serve? And how to create them? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have all of these questions answered. Not only that, you will be able to create your first query. Let's proceed. The first question, what are queries? Queries are structures that are used to do analysis and manipulation of a database system. Number 2, what purpose do queries serve? Queries help us to retrieve, to access information in a database system. Let me break that down into something simple with an example. Here in this case, I have a table for 200 countries in the world with English-speaking population. If I want to find a country in Asia with the largest English-speaking population, I use query. If I want to show which country has the largest population, I can rely on query. If I want to display only those countries whose their name begins with letter B, I can do that using queries. If I want to display only countries in Asia, I can do that. So queries are analysis methods or tools. The next question is, what are queries made of? Queries are made up of a single table or multiple tables, or even other queries. The last question, how do you create a query? Let's do that together. To create a query, click on Create on the top menu bar. After clicking on Create, you will see different ways or options for creating a query. In this specific example, I will select the Query Wizard. Query Wizard is an automatic way of creating a query using a wizard. Click on OK. Then we got this wizard. What is next? You need to select the table or the tables you want to create a query with. So how do you do that? Click on this arrow. In this case, I have only a single table, so that's the only one I have. Now, the next question is, how do you add fields to design a query? It depends. If you want every field on the table, you can use this one. But if you want a specific one, you can remove everything and then click on that field and then add it. That's it. Since in this case, I want to show you with all, I will select this one. Okay. Let me remove and so that I can sort everything in order. Alright. Next, click on Next. Again Next. Here, you can rename your query. I'm satisfied with this. I'll click on Finish to end query design. What's next? Now let's do analysis. I want to show you how you can sort this query based on largest English speaking. Alright, let's do that. Let's go to Design View by right clicking, then go to the English speakers population field. Here on the right panel, in the left panel, you can see where we have sort. On that row, click here. On this arrow, you can see ascending and descending. Descending means from largest to lowest, so I will click on descending. After this, right click on the name and save it. Then go again on right clicking and datasheet view. Now you can see that everything on the query has been sorted based on largest English speaking population. There is more we can do with queries. If you find this video tutorial helpful, and for the next part, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.